French President Emmanuel Macron has already declared war on the coronavirus, and now the army has been deployed on home soil to help overwhelmed hospitals. The first 6 patients of all ages were transported by this medical plane. It is normally used to evacuate wounded soldiers from war zones that are in need of intensive care. Never before has it been used in France for civilian patients. The evacuees are being taken to military hospitals in the south after those in the city of Mulhouse in the east of France became overwhelmed. It has been on the front line of the nation's coronavirus outbreak for the past 2 weeks. Respirators, masks and even medical staff are all in short supply. The 52 intensive care beds are all taken. Nationwide, more than a third of over 9,000 confirmed cases are in hospital. 931 require intensive care, and officials say they're not all from high-risk groups.
Half of the patients that are in intensive care are less than 60 years old. Unfortunately, 264 people have died so far. 7% of those deaths occurred among patients under the age of 65.
Back in Mulhouse, the army is also due to set up a field hospital, probably in the car park of the emergency ward. This will add an extra 30 desperately needed emergency beds and dozens of military doctors and nurses. It will still be days before the unprecedented peacetime operation is fully up and running, however, and there's no guarantee it will be enough to cope with the rapid surge of COVID-19 cases in the region.